Want to play Mario Kart World for free? I'll show you how to access this fun game without spending a cent. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Check for free promotions. Sometimes games like Mario Kart World offer free promotions or limited time access through platforms like Nintendo eShop or third-party websites. Keep an eye on those special offers. Step 2. Look for free trials. Some game subscription services like Nintendo Switch Online or Google Stadia may include Mario Kart games for free during their free trial period. Sign up and take advantage of these trials to play without paying. Step 3. Play through emulators. For older Mario Kart games, you can use emulators to play them for free. Find a legal emulator, then search for ROMs of classic Mario Kart games. Make sure you're following all legal guidelines when using emulators. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Look for free versions or spin-offs. Occasionally, there are free spin-offs or browser-based versions of Mario Kart available online. Search for Mario Kart World free versions or similar keywords to see if any are available at the moment. That's how you can play Mario Kart World for free. Keep an eye out for promotions, use free trials, or explore legal emulation options. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.